In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do your pricing and how can you set your prices according to your sales on Redbubble. Before starting, I want to show you something just like this. This guy recently got his first sale just because of me, just because of implementing my advices. If he can do it, anyone can do it, and I believe all of you guys can get more sales. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year, and I am here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me in this way and watch this video till the end, as I'm going to share some very useful information in the end of the video. So guys, like, comment and subscribe is very important, and let's get started. You just have to go your dashboard, and after that it will start showing you all these, just like activity feed, shop settings, share your work, protect your work, product pricing, Google Analytics, sales history, payment history, message to buyer, and all other stuff. And from here you can select the product pricing, and here I am on my product pricing page, and here you can see for the t-shirt I have set the markup for the 40%, and you can also change it, and how to change it I will tell you later in this video. And here you can see I select some of the things which are selling really well. I increase their margin so I can get more profit from them. And here are all the clothing section, and you can see this thing as well, and this is your basically the profit, your margin, and this is the retail price. So basically this is the thing you have to be focused on. This is the thing. So if we go below, here are the stickers, and you can see I have set my markup to 100. You can increase it to 110, 150 as well, but I set it to 100 and I'm getting very good sales. So this is very wrong concept. If you increase the price of the product, you will start getting low sales. So this is a very wrong concept. You can increase the markup as well, because in Redbubble this thing happened. If someone want to buy your thing, he will definitely buy it irrespective of the price of the thing. And here you can see the iPhone cases, and recently I sold 2 or more than 2 iPhone cases, and it let me earn this margin. So here are the poster or the poster cards, and you can see that I have select the markup to the 30%, and here you can see the photographic prints and artboard prints to 40%, as I'm getting sales on these items. The items which are selling well for you, you can increase their markup so you can get more margin, as initially 20% margin is very low for all the things. And here I didn't change anything, as I got sales from this section as well, but this is not a major one, so I didn't change my margin here. So you can change your markup as well and increase your margin. And from here it comes the bags. It is the same in the bags as well. In the stationery section I increase the pin button, as if it is in the 20% you will only get few cents. So this is very hurting if someone buy your thing and you will just get only few cents. If you go below, here are the accessories, and from the accessories I only set the mask and I set them to the 40%. You can see my markups as well, and you can select them as well, and you can also select the same as well. And here we are at the end. Now here I will tell you how can you change your markup. And here you can see this is a dad hat, and I will increase its margin to 40%. And if one it is set, and here you can see the margin is changed, and I will change all of them as I want to get more margin, more money. And here are the mouse pad as well, and I increase them to 30%. You can set according to your number of sales, and I also set it to the 30%. As once I have changed all my markups, you can select this, apply this markup to all my existing work, and you can save new default markup. Select this one and it will change. And one more thing, if you want to change the thing, is here you can see this, and you can increase it to someone, and here is the option apply to all. If you click this, it will change all the markup to the 30%. So this is a very mess. I think if you change the markup of the items individually, that is good. If I take you to my sales history, here you can see I sold mug, and it's very recently, and the customer ordered it from Australia, and the markup that I earned is $15.19, as I increased the markup for the mugs as well. And for the stickers, he bought it from Australia as well, and I just got 0.82 cents, which is not bad, not good. And here you can see I sold iPhone 12 Pro Max tough covers for which I earned 4.02. And here you can see there is again sticker iPhone 12 soft cover, and for it I got 3.50 dollars. And here you can see all the stickers and mask. As I increase the markups of the sticker and the mask, here you can see you can earn $1, more than $1 if you increase the markup. I'm just sharing this information that it is very useful. Most of the new people on Redbubble don't change their markups and keep struggling to get more money, as if you set your markups to the default to the 20%, you'll not get enough money to earn your living or get something else for your pocket. So it's very important to increase your markups, and if you increase your markup you will definitely increase your margins as well. So this is the information, guys, that I have thought to share with you guys, as I get to know more questions that how can we do our pricing. So I think that I have to make such useful information on pricing as well, as this is also a strategy or also a trick on Redbubble. If you want to earn, most of the new sellers don't get this opportunity or get this trick, and he just keeps struggling and keep uploading more and more designs and getting very few cents, and Redbubble getting more money. So I think it's unfair. You also have to get more money than Redbubble or equal to them, so as you are working so hard for yourself. This is it, guys, from my side. If you want to have more videos on such related topics, you can tell me in the comment section. And if you guys having any query related to Redbubble, you can contact me on my Instagram in the DM section, and the link of my Instagram is in the description below. I will definitely help, guys, and you guys are very important to me, as you are supporting me and keep supporting me in this way, and share my videos as much as you can, so other people can also get benefit of Redbubble and can earn some extra cash. So guys, subscribe my videos, and this is it for today. I will come up with new video tomorrow. Have a nice day. Cheers.